Good recipes?
No.
It's fair.
Did not cook. How about you?
One grandmother I didn't know well enough. The other grandma was a terrible cook.
Right, yeah.
My mother, who was a grandma, is a fantastic.
Midge is a good cook,
yes,
yeah.
grandma's knowledge, wisdom. If you're lucky, you get some recipes from grandma.
A new YouTube series features a Food Network chef cooking with your grandma.
My name is Anna Shao. I'm 74. I born in Hong Kong. I have been cooking for 70 years. My style of cooking is Cantonese. The first dish I cook is the congee because it's much more easy. I make good congee. I have one grandchild, okay, it's a Pomeranian dog. Peter, see? You like congee? Roast pork skin makes me happy.
Me too.
So great. Chef David Rose grew up in New Jersey, moved to Atlanta for culinary school, and lucky for us, he made his trip to cook with us and brought a local grandma. Please welcome to New York Living. Hi, Chef. How are you?
I am well. So good to see you, my friend.
Yeah.
It's been forever. Bring it up top.
Deet.
Deet.
There it
Who's
is.
this
And
gorgeous
hi,
teenager?
how are
This
you?
is Mama Manju. She is amazing and
Mama
one of
Manju.
the best cooks when it comes to South Indian food.
This is
You better
incredible.
believe it.
Okay,
This looks absolutely
fantastic.
amazing.
It looks really good.
Why did you want to do the show? What was the inspiration behind it?
Yeah, grandmas are truly the North Star of the family, whether it comes to recipe, history, legacy. They are the bearers of these just fantastic, recipes and foods and stories. And they are some of the best cooks. If you don't know, grandmas are the best cooks in the world.
Yeah,
and it's non-pretentious food, but it tastes so good from savory to sweet, everything in between. So I wanted to showcase the superstars that they are.
And the
Thank you for-
personalities, too, which are
Hello.
Through the roof.
Yeah. So you each brought a recipe, one that the grandma made,
Yes.
and one that you replicate.
Correct. I put a kind of a Jamaican remix on it, you know.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Tell us what you brought, what you made.
I bought a creamy chole.
Creamy chole.
Masala.
Masala.
That's what it
Very
is,
nice.
yeah.
What are the ingredients in this?
The
It looks
ingredients
delicious.
is chopped onion, tomatoes, and garlic,
Wow.
ginger,
Chickpeas.
Turmeric, those beautiful,
And-
just
All these
amazing
spices
chickpeas,
here.
yeah.
These are the all mixed
My gosh.
in goes in there.
It's one of this actual particular type of food I love because not only is it incredibly flavorful, but it's
Yes.
beautiful.
Yes.
Like the
It's
color
very tasty.
scheme
Yeah.
is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very tasty.
And you don't miss the meat.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it goes with this bread that
Oh,
is
yeah.
called puri. Yeah, homemade puri. There is the dough here. That's what you.
Show them how
And
to
you
make one
make it
real
in
quick.
there.
Show them real quick, Mama.
You
Give us
just
the skills.
yeah.
How long have you been
Skills.
making this for?
Like 47 years.
Really? Oh, so you're good at it.
Longer than we've been alive.
Holy smoke. So you take the dough,
Yeah.
and you
it
just
like
make
this.
a little...
Yeah, roll it.
thing.
And you have to roll the.
I'm gonna roll,
roll it out.
David, would you like a
And then
dough?
Putting y'all to work today.
Would you like a little
Yeah.
dough?
I would like a little dough, please.
dough.
Yes.
Who taught you this recipe?
This one is. These are all we make it at home.
At home.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what I grew up with.
So you're-
But this one is a little bit too fatty and all that. I don't make it too often.
Okay.
But once in a while.
Sure.
Yeah. So.
I'm staring at you. I cannot believe you're a grandma.
You look fantastic.
Young, cool.
It's because of all this deliciousness.
Wow.
What are we doing with the ball? And it's just the ball, and then you
then
flatten it out a little bit?
Yeah, and
Okay.
then you roll it.
And you roll it out.
You need
Roll it
a
out,
roller.
okay.
Okay.
David, how'd you remix this?
Okay, so if you don't know, the West Indies, it's just Jamaica's a part of a huge Indian influence where it really is just a migration of Indian, Chinese, and it influenced the culture and food of the country. So there's a lot of similarities. So I kind of took her dish and kind of modified it a little bit, but the flavors and spices are so similar.
Okay.
But what kind of makes a Jamaican curry? Coconut milk is a must.
I was gonna say, what
it
is
gives
that?
that
Yeah,
nice,
coconut milk.
velvety, kind of smooth, creamy finish and kind of mellows out that spice.
Right.
You gotta have Scotch bonnets. We love.
Is it even Jamaican
Yeah,
if it's not a Scotch
if there's
bonnet?
no Scotch bonnet,
Come
it's
on.
not Jamaican. You don't want it. So a good thing to know if you don't like spice. The greener ones are more kind of ripe, but the longer you let it sit, it gets orange, it gets red. When it's
then
red,
caliente.
that's when it's spiciest. And I like it. I like mucho caliente. I like that. My girlfriend's Dominican, so I like
There you go.
caliente.
There you
and
go.
then our curry powder is very similar. A lot more turmeric, has that bright yellow kind of color.
Sure.
The same cumin, the same ginger, the same coriander.
Yummy.
And then those things right there, we do those. We have potatoes, because we love our starches. Potatoes, yams,
You gotta fill up.
rice, you gotta fill up,
Yeah.
you know?
Cassava,
And they're
all
cheap
that, yeah.
ingredients, but they fill you up and sustain you. So that's how we made very similar in flavor, but one that's vegan, one that's non-vegan.
Okay. I like
That
them
has
both.
chicken in there.
I like
Should we take our
both.
shirts off?
Please don't.
No, let's do
you wanna
it.
take our
Last
shirts
time
off?
we had no sleeves
We
on.
didn't
Do you
have
have that
any
picture
sleeves.
queued up?
I'm sure it's here somewhere. submit their grandmas? Like, my
Yeah.
grandma's an amazing cook, and like get to you and be like, oh yeah, I'll come check her out. Whatever.
Yes, we have season 1 premiering this Sunday
Yay.
at 5 o'clock on YouTube.
Nice.
We're doing a live giveaway, live showing at 5 o'clock, so tune in. You got to comment cooking with your grandma, and we'll give an amazing culinary gift to one important person, but we are casting for season 2.
Nice.
You just go to the website, CWYG Show, or Instagram, Cooking with Your Gma,
Nice.
GMA, and hit me up in the DM. Slide in there, and we'll have our casting producer get back to you.
You gotta cook with my mom. She, you guys are like best friends. You
I
gotta cook with
already,
Janice.
your mom is the coolest. Another young, cool.
very
Very,
hip,
very
just like you. Very,
fantastic
very
grandma.
beautiful, young and cool.
Yes.
Thank you both so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you.
I can't wait to dig into
Congrats.
both of these. You heard them here. Cooking with Your Grandma premieres May 24th on YouTube. Drop in there. You never know. You may be end up cooking next to this handsome
How are
fella.
you getting
Send me all the grandmas. Send them all. Your grandma, your grandma.
Yeah, you get a grandma.
And you get a grandma.
Yeah.